Hello everyone, today I'm unboxing this Bluetooth projector. As you can see, it's 1080p HD projector. It works on Wi-Fi, Bluetooth. You can use your laptop, tablet, or phone, be it iPhone or Android. So we're going to go ahead and open it up and see what's inside of this box. I really like the form factor. It's different, as you can see. It stands upright, unlike many of the other projectors you've seen before. So it's packed really well, as you can see, so I have to use my both hands. I'm gonna put it on pause and we'll continue. So on the top here we have all the cables, the remote, everything we need to connect this guy, and that's the handle. So I'm gonna try to pull it out of the box. So I just pulled it out of the box. I also pulled out the cord. That's the cable, HDMI cable to connect to either PC or your TV if you wish. The remote, the pamphlet or manual which walks you through everything, and that's the projector itself. Just remove this cover and you'll be good to go. The top are, as you can see, the controlling hub, so you have all the buttons to turn it on, and then you can go through these. So I'm going to show you the side. That's the back where you have all the cables to connect. The good thing is you can also put in the USB stick and watch from it. Okay, yeah. So yeah, it's pretty impressive looking, and I'm looking forward to using it. And please let me know how you feel about this form factor in the comments. And thank you for watching.